placements. Hold on. You know what? I think I got it wrong. Do not do math. Remember last time I did math? Suppose somehow I'm thinking I'm drawing. No wipe top coat, everyone. I'm so sorry. Because I'm going to do weaver gel. Just wipe it off. Do not do math. It's only do math when you're painting. But I'm not painting. This time I'm using a weaver gel, which is like spider gel. So, just in case. Great. Skier for 60 seconds. This color, pink color, and blue color. Great. Don't worry about something, maybe the dust get in there, but I'm not worried about it because I'm gonna really coat it again. Okay, and I have my weaver gels, pure white, put it right here so you can see it. All right, I'll make sure I can see it. Something stuck on my brush and my toothpick. So usually I did like 4 or 5 of them. Tape it together. It's really easy to do. Something is stuck on that, like a little beads or something. Picks it up. And going the other way. If you want more, like if you want the string to be thicker, you get thicker. But I think I like it just like that. Great. Cure for 30 seconds. Just that simple. I tape it together. And I picked 3 pigments. You can do any pigments. You can do more than just 3 pigments. You can do 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or even up to 12 of them. It's gonna look stunning. Great. I'm looking at the just use a little pink. More pink here. I don't know what you call this, yellow probably. It looks like yellow. And I want to using the other side and put the blows on. It's only stick to wherever the gels is. Great. I'm gonna move this one out on the side because it was really pigmented. Use my little unicorn brush and I'm just dust it off. Give it a simple, cute looks of neons and weaver gels. So now let's going fun with crystal placements. I am going to using condensed glue gels. See, I'm challenging us, you and me, with the nude base. Usually we're doing a lighters, but nude base. I'm go ahead and coat all entire of them because I'm gonna put some crystals on the end as well. Blend it out evenly. You don't want to do too little, but also you don't want to do too much. Too much is going to flood your crystals. Also, is too little is not going to keep your crystals staying, especially in the bigger stone. On that side, I am going to using a no wipe top coat. And floated it on the top of the no wipe condensed glue gels. I'm gonna use biggest stone. Big it possible. And I place all different neon colors possible if I can get. I like them, like this time I'm going to use just the silver, see how silver turn out, because we done a lot of get the other end. We done a lot of gold finish with beads. Now we'll go in with silver. I'm using a twin tip brush to pick up a lot of beads at the same time. Let's just tap it a little bit on to the side of my nails and pick them up. Okay, now I am going to use this crystal picker on the other end, I call it precision end, still able to pick. I put like 3 of them in here. 3, 3. You can do 1. You don't have to do 3. I feel like I'm quiet though. So I'm so focused. So excited to see everyone, you know? Every day we learn something new. Especially we got to learn together. Great. Put that one down. Excuse me. What should I do with my nails? I got my nails, took off the crystals, and I really want to do something fun with my nails. So I want to hear from all of you. What should I do for my nails? Oh my God, looks so stunning. That's it, because I don't want to do too much to take away from the neon's pigments right here. So let's see, adjust a little bit because this one a little bit higher than the other, and this one it down here. Okay, needs one more. So I hope you all really enjoying this. I'm really enjoying it, doing live video with all. A little bit crooked. I'm so OCD. Okay. Because if the crooked is on go anywhere, it's not going to cure anything at all, because I will not let it happen. Great. If you're happy with this, then I will cure for 60 seconds. Thanks so much, ladies. It's such an awesome, like, hey Lily, how are you? Ooh. We've been in the black and nude theme. Let's see what we got over here. Neon. Oh, I know what I'm gonna give it to you. I have it on my size and prepare for it. Over here. Keep things. We're gonna do precision glue to double secure this.